That actually scared me. Put it on display because I don't want my mom to get mad at me.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for central Dallas County in north central Texas
3.
until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Activate.
At 9:02 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as up and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Richardson, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Wiley, Duncanville, Farmers Branch, University Park, Satch C, Summit Park, Cockrell Hill, Dallas Love Field, Cedar Hill State Park, White Rock Lake, and Mountain Creek Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.